Hi, my name's Katherine. I'm a senior stylist here at Verde Salon. I'm going to be showing you how to do this half-up style with a scrunchie. To do this style, I'm going to be starting out with one of our birch scrunchies. I'm going to be pulling all of my hair back just to the crown of my head, almost like you're going to do a ponytail. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're going to take it, wrap it one time around the ponytail. They're quite secure, so I don't find like I need to do more than one wrap. Then I'll take any loose hairs and just tuck those into the pony. Pull it apart just to make it a little more volume. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the hairspray, spray it down just to get rid of any frizz and flyaways. Okay. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out the description box below to see all of the list of products.